Hi guys! For this video, I'll be going ahead and really looking at my old fidgets while cleaning because I found some old fidgets that are so cute. So let's get started. We're gonna do a big one first. So look at this. Look at this big pocket. It looks like it had a hole over here. Wait. See, look. Here. Here. Here, you look. See? Yeah. Let's get these. Look, and this is the good side, the juicy side. Now, this just embarrasses me so much. Okay, let's check out the other side. It's so satisfying. I love this. This is gonna take too long to pop because it's a big pocket, of course. So let's just do here. So yeah, this pocket. Now let's go to my very old one. So the might be is just like the ones that I put here. Now we got this. So yeah, this one. So let me just do all this side real quick. So I did all this side. Now time to do this. At kung lampas na ito sa 5 clicks, maluwag na ito. Kaya importante ang proper VMS o ipasok sa standards ng manufacturer. Sabi ni Michelle Baldo, how do you live up your happening though? Beautiful. Let's just keep it all right here. So yeah, it's cheap. Now we got Among Us. I also got a rainbow Among Us one and one that's green. Her old favorite color. So both the sides are pretty cute. Let's just do this pocket. Cause like it doesn't take that long. It takes so. Oh, that. Alam ko, madami pa rin downers dyan. At malamang habang nag-type ka na sa comment section. Ito, sa pag-uwiba. Sa panunod ngayon, mas advanced na ang share. Ginagawa ng mga car manufacturers. Yeah, that's. Now, don't mind these. So now, we're just going to place them here. Why not? Now, these have some like pockets. Okay, wait. And I needed to make another video, so and this one's quite broken. See, it's broken, and I have a stand over here, so you see a little bit of that. Now look, you see that. So yeah, let's pop it. So now let me just put it back in the bag. Just put it back. You see my face, guys. Me sick. Now we're gonna put it back in the bag. Sometimes we're gonna get another package. Let's do this. Let's just I love these puppets. It looks so pretty. It's pretty much a heart. I watched it because when I got it, I saw it was so dirty. Okay. Oh, you did too, guys. So first, you see this. I don't mind me. I'm just seeing the camera. Oh, yeah, it's kind of like it. So let's go at this side. So yeah, Poppy is really good quality. Let's see the other side. It's just saying no, I don't like to be popped or judged. Just do it already. So yeah. Now we have a small one. Let's just move this. Oh. Wait, I just need to be the good side, so this can be over with. So this is I don't really like this pop because it's a kind of broken, guys. This used to be a keychain, but I don't care. I took it off. Yeah, let's just now let's just pick a random object of it. Oh, this one. I can't get it off at that time.
What's your task, Hans? Or do you not have one because you're the imposter?
Yeah, I really love this puppet, guys. Let's just hug it. Hug it, guys. Hug it. It's beautiful. You're right here. You can't see, but yeah, hug it. Yeah, we just love this puppet, guys. I love it. I put it up there, guys. On my table. Now we're gonna disassemble this. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and pick another one. Oh, this one is another simple dimple. Yay! Guys, I honestly don't like simple dimples, but this one is so beautiful. The snaps are just beautiful. Let's see how many times. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna do the poppets because I love the pops. Because I don't want to hit my. And let's just do one poppet. This because it's. allow this one. It's a fidget spinner, but it's also a puppet. It's an octopus one. Let's see. Oh, the puppet's right. I don't really like magenta guys. But yeah. So this is the end of the video. I know it's pretty short, but I just want to show you these things I found. They're really vibrant and really beautiful. I love vibrant things sometimes. Now I really want to do this first. I know it's going to be really annoying, but yeah. So yeah, that's done. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. Give a like and subscribe. Bye. Okay. Bye. A little bit late. So I'll be adding this part. Of course, doing some stuff. Maybe editing it. So bye, guys.